The AquaTeck Mini is a portable unit that enables you to produce a powerful, non-toxic, multi-purpose cleaner and sanitizer called hypochlorous acid. The Mini will produce 7.5 litres of solution per batch at a cost of just 2 pence per litre. Businesses that are already using the AquaTeck Mini have seen an average cleaning cost saving of 65%. This HOCl solution requires no COSHH training and can be produced at 2 different strengths depending on the application. All you need to make your solution is cold tap water and the accredited vinegar and salt provided. It's around 80 times stronger than its commercial toxic counterparts. Standard 500ml and 5 litre containers will be supplied, enabling you to refill and reuse. This reduces waste, cuts down your carbon footprint and minimises your environmental impact. The AquaTeck Mini. Simple, sustainable, strong.